Hey guys, welcome back to Fix Master. In today's video, we've got something really cool to show you. Ever wondered how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop or PC? Well, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Introduction to the topic. So, imagine you have a Wi-Fi QR code, maybe from a friend's network or a cafe, and you want to use it on your PC. Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do that. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll be able to seamlessly integrate that information into your computer. Step 2. Accessing the website. The first thing you need to do is go to a specific website. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Open your browser, and in the search bar, type scanqer.org and hit enter. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Select QR Image option. Step 3. Uploading the QR code. Now, all you need to do is click on File sign. Then a window will appear. From here you will browse and drag and drop your QR code into the designated area. The website will then load up the information on the right side. Step 4. Implementing the info on your PC. Now, let's use that info on your PC. Open up your Windows settings. Navigate to Network and Internet. And under Wi-Fi, click on Manage Known Networks. Add a new network. Use that has part from the result as your network name. For security type, change it to WPA2 Personal. Copy the P part from the result and paste it into the security key. If you want to connect automatically, tick the box and you're almost done. Step 5. Final configuration. To wrap it up, click on Save and you're good to go. Your laptop is now configured to connect to the Wi-Fi network using the QR code you just scanned. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want more tech tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.